Today, I want to share a few thoughts with you, some awareness amplifiers in our continuous series. And the topic today is it's okay to feel vulnerable. Vulnerability is always seen as a weakness. Vulnerability is your true authenticity, because when you're going to become truly authentic with yourself, when you're going to be really real, and real is so rare, but when you become real, when you just step into being so authentic, it makes you vulnerable. Why? Because you may be ridiculed, you may be judged, you may be made fun of. And that's what causes the feeling of vulnerability. Because when you feel vulnerable, you feel so exposed. Like, here I am, and everybody's looking at me, and I feel so naked, and I feel so exposed. Vulnerability is your true power. Because you can share your truth. You can share fearlessly who you are. Express yourself fearlessly. And you can confront. You can show up. You can share yourself. And one of the things that we're most afraid of is to confront, because when we confront, we think, oh, I can't say that. Oh, what will they think if I say that? Oh, I can't be seen to be doing that. No, you can confront. And when you stand up for yourself, when you accept your vulnerability, when you share your truth, what is true for you, what is real for you, that someone may disagree. And that's really okay. Don't let that stop you from participating. I spoke about participating in one of the other episodes that I've done. And, the value of participation. But when you participate, you become spontaneous. And when you participate and you be spontaneous, then you're just doing it. You're taking action. There's conduct. There's things that you're engaging with that's going to give you a result. And the result is your reward, because it's the result that determines how good you feel about yourself.